This is how it actually burns once it calms down. There's just some accelerant I put on the wood to get it going in the beginning on that initial shot. I'm using a couple short scrap 2x2s right now. They fit right in there perfect. The fan is 12 volt, by the way, so you can run it on a small 12 volt battery or a small 12 volt solar panel. That's a 5 watt panel, 12 volt. Really all you need is about a 2 watt panel to run that small fan. It's a straight connect to either one, and it uses wood or charcoal. This is the charcoal startup. Nice smooth burn. Quick boiling, searing meats, you name it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Essentially no stick. And perfect. They're coming out perfect, absolutely perfect, with the fan right about there. I was able to cook 4 pork chops and these 2 eggs, all on one single branch. That's cooked right in the pork fat. Beautiful. That looks great. This is a veggie burger. And it's on the charcoal now. And this is French toast. Here's a quick shot to show you how to get the ash out. Just a metal spoon, about 8 scoops gets it all out of there, 8 or 9. And then you're good to go for next time. It's just these 5 cans in dirt, that's all you need. You just set them up like this, cut them like that, cut 2 holes in the big can, drop the other cans in, and the dirt. Then you drop the stove ring on top in any pan you want. And finally, here's the 12 volt solar panel charcoal combination. Boil in a gallon of water.